Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Yeah, Bonk continues to be in this ongoing correction. As per the last video updates, the idea is and was that wave 2 is still unfolding. However, I was looking at the possibility, the potential for a higher B wave. Okay, so the idea was, and it's still possible, I mean, that this here was just the A wave of circle wave B. The move down a B wave, and we could get an extension higher, and we would then move down. However, it seems to go the way to the downside more directly, and the reason I say that is, first of all, it's currently trying to break below the defined support level that I mentioned in the last video, here at 107,621. Now, we haven't broken it really, but we're nearly there anyway. Okay, it's nearly broken, and there's no buy reaction literally to that level. Also, we now have 5 waves down. I mean, this looks like a 5-wave move down. That does not look like a B wave pullback anymore. Okay, so at the moment it has more it makes more the impression of a 5-wave move down. So we have our A wave down, our B wave up, and then we will need to see how the C wave develops. I don't really want to keep a micro count on the chart, but it could do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, just as an idea. Obviously, the next main support level would be down here at 47270. That's the 38.2 retracement level. That's the next main support level. I will now, therefore, move this resistance area because we have 5 waves down. I mean, that doesn't mean just because I'm focusing more on the direct path down, because there's literally no buy reaction. I mean, you can always get a surprise stick save from here, okay, and get a surprise turnaround. But because we have 5 waves down and it's literally dancing on the lowest support level, I'm going to add the resistance area for the wave 2 now. That means only a break above that level would suggest something more bullish. I assume the next bounce could just be a wave 2 corrective rally. And I'm going to take micro support out. Okay, so that would indicate the next rally, okay, if it's corrective, it should not really exceed this 78.6 retracement level there. Or maybe I leave the micro structure on the chart. Just note that it's a bit messy. It's not entirely clear, but this is sort of what I see potentially, because we have 5 waves down. And if this is a wave 1 to the downside, then yeah, the wave 2 should not exceed here the 78.6 retrace. I mean, we talk about what level 159,538. No, 159,538, yeah. It doesn't have to go all the way to that level, but should really, if this is a wave 2, stay below that level. A break above it would then suggest, okay, probably we do get the B wave in the end. But either way, at the moment, whatever pathway it will take when we deal with the microstructure here, whatever micro pathway it will take, I have no evidence that all of the wave 2 correction is over. So I'm still watching for lower prices eventually. The only question is, do we take the more direct path, or do we take a diversion via a higher B wave? And at the moment, it rather looks more as if it's going to take the more direct pathway to the downside, and the 38.2 retracement is going to be a key level. However, there are short-term, of course, some support levels, and of course, even in this scenario, a bounce would be needed at some point, yeah? But it would be a corrective bounce most likely. Now, the next support levels where the price already reacted, that's here, 23.6 fib level at 102,253, and then this red support line, okay? Okay, I can move it down a little bit, but it's basically where that previous swing low was sitting, where we had previous reactions to support. Okay, that's down here, basically this level, and it is at 93760. So yeah, pay attention to these, and overall the market looks motivated to drop further. Bitcoin is also selling off a little bit. We'll see where it takes us, but the break below micro support is a first clue that things are going to go down more directly. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.